well, what was it, 18 months out. Obviously, it was a bit of a shock to the system for everyone. Tough on the legs, tough on the mind as well, obviously trying to get back into training. But it's the same for everyone. Obviously, we were a bit unfortunate. We picked up quite a lot of injuries. You know, can't complain. We wanted football back and we got it.
Wel, obviously, oedd yn teimlo'n rhyfadd peidio gael chwarae am, wel, bron iawn i 2 flynedd efo'r pandemig, ond wwan cael fod yn ôl o flaen torf gynno Bae Colwyn, then yndi, mae o'n special.
Gobeithio da ni'n gallu profi i pobl, da ni'n tîm dda, chwarae yn erbyn Cardiff Met. Mae'n mynd i fod yn gêm anodd. Gobeithio da ni'n gallu chwarae dda ar y teledu.
Genna ni dipyn sydd wedi chwarae yn Cwpan Cymru yn barod yn y tîm, so dwi'n gobeithio wneith nhw ddod ar experience gynno nhw i fewn i'r stafell newid.
Dwi wedi chwarae'n finals yn y cwpan yma. Gobeithio dwi'n gallu helpu y tîm efo'r experience dwi wedi gael yn y cwp.
When the club came back into the Welsh system, I think a lot of people took notice of it. It's a great run club. We get a big fan base. Everything's here that needs to be here for it to be a successful club. So, I think the ambitions are, to improve on our position last year. Hopefully one day to try and make it into the Welsh Prem.
Da ni wedi cael dros 1000 wsos diwetha yn erbyn Llandudno, so gobeithio fydd yn atmosffer yn gret fama eto.
Mae torfeydd yn rhoi extra boost i chi pan ti'n chwarae. Gobeithio fydden nhw'n gallu fod fatha 12 man iddyn ni, cos da ni annon o rili, a gobeithio gael upset yn y gwpan yn erbyn nhw.
Mae o'n occasion mawr iawn. Mae pawb yn edrych ymlaen, dorf yn edrych ymlaen os da ni ennill. Da ni yn quarter-finals, gobeithio da ni gallu gwneud hwnna.
Dwi'n meddwl da ni'n glwb Uwch Cymru, efo'r torf da ni gael y cae, y chwaraewr gynno ni. Dwi'n meddwl da ni digon da i gymbitio yn erbyn y tîm yn Uwch Cymru.
Me personally, I've never played against a Welsh Premier League team in a competitive fixture. It's a good way to measure up, see where we're at. It's a one-off game, it's a cup game. Anything can happen. It would be massively important for the club if we managed to push through and get past the Welsh Premier League team.